Hey, so I've been working on this structured wiring panel. This is to replace a 12U rack that I had here, which was just really overkill, especially with tenants coming. I don't think they're going to need a server rack with a UPS and a power distribution center. So I decided to redo it all, get the cables nice and cleaned up, and run in through a nice Leviton box. These accessories are expensive, but I'll tell you what, they work pretty well. Those little clips kind of just pop in and out really easily, so you can pull the whole piece out for service and changing how you have things wired and so on and so forth. It's a pretty nice setup. This is kind of okay, this little shelf for putting non-standard shaped pieces of the hardware in there, but it's, you know, it's a little janky. It won't matter once this is all buttoned up and closed, but it's just kind of It has a little surge protector in the bottom, which is now hardwired in to an existing circuit I happen to have right here. But yeah, this is what we're doing today. We're cleaning up the wires. GoPro, stop recording.